So let's see today's lovely Goan Ambil. So now here I've taken 2 tablespoons of Nachniche flour or Ragi flour in a bowl. It's easily available in all general stores, online. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of water to make this into a runny paste. Just mix everything really nicely together. Now if you don't get your hands on this paste, I'll just leave what you need to do with the actual Nachni seeds in the description box below. I also have a recipe for Nachni pudding. I just put it up a few days ago. I'll leave a link for it in the description box below. So mix this till you get a nice thick paste. We don't want a very runny paste, like a porridge kind of. Now we're going to keep this aside for 9 to 10 hours because this has to ferment. So ideally I do this in the night and I keep it overnight. Now let's prep the other ingredients for this ambil. First I'm going to take 1/2 inch of ginger, and using my cheese grater I'm just going to grate it. Alternatively, you can also put it in a mortar and pestle and really make it into a nice thin paste. So this is my 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger. Now I'm going to take 1 green chilli, cut off the tips. First wash it well and then cut it very fine. So this is also a very traditional Goan recipe. And here I have a little bit of kothimir or kothmir and or coriander, just about 1 tablespoon, washed well, and I'm just going to chop it really fine. Now I'm going to make a fine powder of 1/2 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds and 6 peppercorns or mire in my mortar and pestle. A very fine powder, as fine as you can get. This is what it looks like. And here I have 1/2 cup of thick coconut milk. Now I'll leave a link of how to prepare coconut milk at home, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar and some salt to taste. Now, after fermenting the Nachni for 7 to 8 hours, I'm going to give it a stir first because it does settle to the bottom, and then I'm going to add it to a pot. I'm going to add a little bit of water, about 1/4 cup, because after keeping it for a long time, it thickens up, so it absorbs all the water. Now we're going to add the coconut milk. And we're going to stir everything on a very low flame. See that there are no lumps in this. If there are, then just use a whisk and get rid of the lumps. Now we're going to add the grated ginger. We're going to add the green chilli. Now you can adjust the chilli as much as you like. And we're going to add this cumin and pepper powder. A little bit of salt to taste, roughly 1/2 teaspoon, and the sugar to balance out everything. And now all you have to do is just mix everything really nicely together till everything comes together really nicely. So I'm adding a little bit more of water because it has thickened up. 1/2 cup of water. So this is like a drink. You can have it as a drink, you can have it as a porridge. If you like it thicker, then add little less water. And just keep stirring it till it thickens up a little bit and everything really blends together well. And once everything is nice and mixed well, just let it come to a gentle boil. Turn off the heat. Again give it a stir. And I'm going to put this in a serving bowl. This is the consistency normally it is. If you like it more runny, then you can just add some water. But if you're adding water, then again stir it under some low heat for some time, for 1/2 minute. And I'm just going to garnish it with some finely chopped coriander, and our beautiful Goan Ambil is all ready to enjoy. if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.